It's been a day or two. Been lazy, hadn't shaved. Good morning. It's been a day or two. Been lazy, hadn't shaved. But we're going to finally get on that roof and see if we can finish it before the rain sets in this afternoon. You can see I got my truck back. That was a pricey little venture. But we're going to give it a good run this morning and see how it's acting. And so let's see. All right, here's the test. We're coming up to a hill. We're towing the trailer and we're accelerating. Now before it would be kind of balking a little bit at the going up this hill, but so far so good. Nothing seems to be running well. Look at that, nice and smooth, running just like it should. This is so nice not to have to deal with that chugging and jerking. But we'll see you at the house. This is where we are for lunch today. these bad dudes right here. That.
Hold it down like that. Stick it over that end.
And that. Okay. Now, it gives us a nice. Now what we'll do is to make it to where it will come right here. We'll just cut that straight up. Give it a boom. Get off this roof fast enough. Still not completely screwed off. Got all the trim on. And the reason I want to get off of here is because of this. And that's going to be hitting us very short. We've got a few screws to put up here and get this last piece of tape on. We'll just have to come back another day when it's not flood and rain. All right. Well, there we have it. All of the ridge cap is on. All the metal panels are on. Our rake trim is on. Turned out really nice, I think. And now it's time to get off the roof because I'm feeling a few drops and I don't want to be on this metal when it's wet. Maybe we'll work inside. If not, we'll see you next time. But we'll see you next time anyway.